Hi all, welcome back to the day 5 of English Speaking Challenge. If you haven't watched the introduction and the day 1 video, please go and watch it. I will leave the links in the description box. By the way, you are watching English with Shantha and this is the day 5 of 21 days English Speaking Challenge. For those of you who watched my previous videos, did you guys practice till yesterday? Do let me know. So, the topic that I have chosen for today is appearance. The questions related to appearance that you can address or talk about are as follows. How much do you worry about your appearance? What things do you do to maintain your appearance? First thing you notice about a person. Do you worry often about your appearance? Has anyone criticized you for your appearance? Do you think people notice the opposite person's appearance? Who takes care more about the physical appearance, men or women? So, since Sparky is our at home 24/7 speaking partner, let's talk to Sparky about this topic. Remember, at any point, if you have any doubt, Sparky is always there to help you out and address your query. Let's see a small demo now. Do not skip the demo.
Hi there! Today, we're going to learn how to introduce ourselves. It's important to use friendly body language, speak clearly and confidently, and include key points like your name and age. Now, tell me one thing that you would like others to know about you.
Hi Sparky, I am Shantha and I am an English teacher and I love interacting with my students and I really like teaching English and helping my students become confident English speakers.
That's a great introduction, Shantha. You sound confident and passionate about teaching English. Remember to speak clearly and confidently when introducing yourself.
If I don't know meaning of a word, I will long press on it, hear its pronunciation and see its meaning, like I've done it for confident here.
If you are already using Sparky, because in each video I will be showcasing a different feature of Sparky so that you can use the AI to its full potential and get the maximum benefit out of it. For those of you who have not yet downloaded Sparky, please do download. The link is in the description box. Now let's get to answering these questions. The first one, how much do you worry about your appearance? So let me start answering the questions in my own words. Well, I think I do not worry much about my appearance now. Also, it is a matter of where you're going. For example, in my college days, sometimes I would care about looking good, wearing good pair of heels, wearing new clothes. I would make sure that whenever I got a new pair of clothes, I would really dress up that day and go to the college. Even when I started working, obviously, when you attend the office, you have to look, at least you have to appear good because you are in a professional setting. You have to be presentable. But now, after becoming a mom, a full time homemaker, I'm somehow less worried about my appearance and more I think about my children's appearance because most of the time goes in dressing them. And unless I go to some party or functions, only then I care a little. But most of the times, I'm no longer cautious. I just try and be presentable, but I do not take any extra effort to make that impact. So, my answer for question number 2, what things I do to maintain my appearance? See, during my days from college, I would make sure that I wear matching stuff like earrings, bangles, etc. You know how girls are at that age. But now, once a while, I get a blow dry done on my hair. That is the only time I visit a beauty salon. That is because my hair is a lot frizzy and dry, and it takes a lot of effort for me to detangle my hair once it's washed. So I prefer going to the salon, getting a hair wash, and getting a blow dry, which will also give me a kind of naturally straight looking hair, and it will save me from the hassle of doing things on my own. But other than that, I do not have anything like a skin care or a hair care routine. I don't give any special focus on my appearance. And I am sorry to say that even when I started this channel, many people would ask me, rather told me, that don't you think you need to focus more on your appearance now that you're on social media? And I felt that I don't want to fake anything. I'm here to stay. So if I try to attract audience based on my appearance, that's not going to stay for long. People should like me for the way I am, and people are not fools. Yeah, they might click a video looking at your appearance, but they will continue watching your video based on your content. Because I think that nowadays people are smarter. I'm not that kind of person who will focus too much on my appearance, and I want people to relate to me the way I am, because I cannot fake every time that I make a video, which is almost daily. I no longer have that kind of patience. With all due respect to the people who take out time to do it, hats off to you. But I am not that kind of person. If you don't like it, that's totally okay. Coming to the third question, the first thing I notice about a person is I will notice how they interact with me. Whether they have a good attitude, they have a smile, they are interested in talking to me. But other things like the hair or makeup or clothes have no influence on me. The only thing I notice is that they should smile and be well behaved. They should be friendly and genuinely interested in talking to me. That is all. Fourth question is worrying about my appearance. I just worry about my appearance when I'm going to some public gathering, because whenever you attend a function, you have to be presentable. You have a lot of relatives who are going to approach you and they want to ask you where did you get a particular sari or that dress, or they also remember that you wore this specific dress for this function, or where you got some piece of jewelry that you're wearing. So only at that time I try and be well dressed, not to show off, but just to fit into the occasion. If it's a birthday party, I try to wear casual dress, but if it's a wedding or a puja, I try to wear a sari. But in general, on a daily basis, I do not worry at all that I'm aging or my skin is aging or my hair is graying out. I don't worry about my appearance, because when you look into the mirror, what I feel is you should like this person who is looking back at you. That is the true you. Before starting YouTube, this was the same me. I would not like what I saw. Now, after gaining confidence through YouTube, of course, when I now look into the mirror, I feel a bit balanced. I no longer feel hopeless or helpless. I see a confident and content person looking back at me. So that's my take on appearance. I think what's inside you matters more than your physical appearance. I dress up, but for myself. I think appearance is what I think about myself. It's not what the opposite person will think if I appear to be like this. That's never on my mind. I want to look a certain way and I look that way. Coming to the fifth question, have I ever been criticized for my appearance? What do you think? Yes, I have been criticized a lot for my looks, especially because of my hair and my teeth. People would say you have noodles or you have dry grass on your head. And because of these types of criticism, I am very conscious when I smile. I don't want people to see my teeth because, of course, they are not well aligned. When I was a child, I was too scared on getting my teeth done, so I did not get it done. I did not get it set. Hence, they just became crowded. For this reason, I face some rejections as well, but that's okay. Even now, I get a few comments under my videos. Ma'am, do something about your teeth. They look so bad. But now I've gotten used to it and it no longer affects me. So coming to the next question, do people notice opposite person's appearance? I have asked this question personally to a few people. What do they notice? What is the first thing that they notice about a person when they look at them? Trust me, many of them told the same thing, what I told in this video. They notice how friendly or how accepting they are, the body language, if they really want to meet you, and whether they are good to you. That is what they notice. But there are a lot of other immature people as well who judge you based on your clothes, your dressing sense, hair, makeup, etc. I think judging people also depends on the phase of life that you are in. If you're old enough, you will look beyond beauty, outer beauty, like clothing or makeup or shoes or whatever, especially youngsters. They will notice these things more. And once you have gained maturity in your life, when you are in your 30s, you will try and notice things which are more important because by then you have gained experience. You have judged people based on their outer looks and you have gone wrong. So, from those experiences, you have learned now not to judge people by their outer appearance. You have learned what is more important. Yeah, that's what I feel. Coming to the next question, who takes more care about their appearance, men or women? I think majority of women are into it because they have more options as well, especially in terms of jewelry and the types of clothing. In that case, I believe that men have fewer choices, and I have seen more women asking the opposite lady where they got the dress or that sari or the jewelry from. But men need to just catch up. I don't think they are much into clothing or fashion unless they are models or something as such. I am just talking about the majority here. There might be exceptions. I have seen a lot of dads and moms as well. I might be wrong as well. Okay, now coming to the second part of the video where we will be discussing a few vocabulary, phrases, and idioms related to the topic appearance. The first word is bald, means little or no hair. I think men are more prone to baldness as compared to women. Number two, slender means gracefully thin. When I see old movies of Genelia D'Souza, now she's Genelia Deshmukh, I feel that she was so slender. Third one, pale. This is used to describe a person's face or skin if it has less color than usual. You look pale. Are you keeping well? Fourth one, dressed to kill means when someone, especially a woman, is wearing glamorous or very fashionable clothes, mostly to attract attention. In yesterday's party, Mona was dressed to kill. Fifth one, beauty is only skin deep, means a person's physical appearance is not a good indicator of their character. I already warned you about her. Beauty is only skin deep. Next one, easy on the eyes, means something that is visually appealing. I like to decorate my house in such a way that it is easy on the eyes. So that's it for today's video, guys. What did you think about the topic? And what did you think about my question and answers? Make sure to let me know in the comment section. Show a little appreciation by hitting the like button. Now practice this topic for the coming 2 to 3 days till I post another video with another topic, which will be out on Thursday. Do not give up, guys. Hang in there. Make sure to practice this topic. I'll see you again on Thursday. Take care. Bye for now.